Question usually asking for the housekeeping department when you work in interview for the cruise ship or in the hotel. So stay on tune. And for you who are not subscribed yet, please subscribe so that I can always enthusiastic to make a new video for you. Question number 1. If the interviewer asks what is housekeeping, you can answer with your own style or you can answer like this. Housekeeping department is one of the department which is responsible for the clean lines, maintenance and beauty of the rooms and the other public areas of the hotel. Question number 2. Tell me about the procedure of making the bed. If you are as a room boy, of course you can answer the procedure to make up the bed, or you can answer like this.
The first, pull the bed, remove and check out the linen, and then make sure there is no gas articles. And then change all the dirty sheet, blanket, bed cover and pillowcases. And then put on the new sheet and pull it inside at the head, foot side and both sides of the bed. And then put the blanket on the bed and make sure that the labels are on the foot side. And then fold over the blanket, then fold the sheet and the blanket once again. And then pull inside the blanket and sheet on both sides and at the foot side. After that, put the pillow on the head side and then cover all by the bed cover.
Question number 3. What is the general job description of a room boy? So you can answer with your own style or you can answer like this.
The general job description as a room boy, the first is clean the room by dusting, vacuuming, mopping and provide some gas supplies. And then make up the bed, clean the bathroom and provide the bathroom gas supplies. And then provide the trolley with the gas supplies and linen. And then change all the dirty linen and bring to the laundry room. And then turn down the bed in the evening and then remove and dispose all rubbish and then prepare the room checklist.
Question number 4. Could you explain about the procedure to clean up the room? So again, you can answer with your own style or you can answer like this.
First, I choose the room without do not disturb sign and then knock the door and say housekeeping or room boy attendant 3 times. And then we enter the room and then collect all the rubbish, then remove them. After that, remove all the dirty linens and put in the trolley. And then I make up the bed. And then clean the bathroom, wash basin, mirror, then provide the gas supplies such as bath towel, bath mat, shampoo, soap and so on. And then dusting, clean the mirror, vacuuming. And then the last step is double check the room.
Question number 5. What are the bathroom supplies? So you can answer like this.
Bathroom supplies, we have a bathtub, wash basin, shower, toilet bowl, bathroom curtain, hanging towel and so on.
Question number 6. Can you tell us about the room supplies? And also you can answer like this.
Room supplies, we have a wardrobe, drawer, writing desk, coffee table, mirror, dressing table, TV set and so on.
Question number 7. Can you tell us about the bed supplies? You can answer like this.
Bed supplies, we have a headboard and mattress, and then we have a bed sheet, blanket, pillow, pillowcase and bed cover.
Question number 8. Can you tell us also about the guest amenities? You can answer like this.
Guest amenities, we have slipper, shampoo, bath soap, toothpaste, toothbrush and so on.
Question number 9. Can you tell us about the step to clean the bathroom? So you can answer with your own style or you can answer like this.
The first, I take the dirty towels and put them in the trolley. And then collect all rubbish and change the disposal bags. And then wipe down the walls, clean the mirror and wipe dry the shower curtain. After that, clean the area around the wash basin and bathtub. After that, scrub and brush the toilet bowl by using sanitize and then clean dry the lid and the seat of the toilet bowl. After that, put the clean bathroom towels and mat. And then provide the bathroom gas supplies. After that, scrub the floor and dry them.
Question number 10. Tell me about the procedure of cleaning the bathtub. So you can answer with your own style or you can answer like this.
The first, I prepare a sponge, cleaning liquid and dry cloth. After that, sprinkle the bathtub with the water. Then rub the inner wall, bottom side, and the edges of the bathtub by using sponge and cleaner liquid. And then rub the outer side of the bathtub with sponge and cleaning with liquid too. And then clean with water. Then rinse all with warm water, including the faucet. And then dry it with the dry cloth.
Question number 11. Tell me about the procedure of cleaning the toilet bowl. And again, you can answer with your own style, or you can answer like this.
First, I prepare a toilet bowl brush, sponge, some cleaner and mopping cloth. Then sprinkle the toilet bowl with water. After that, put some cleaner or sanitize, then brush the toilet bowl by using toilet bowl brush. And then clean it again with water. Rub the edges, outer and bottom side of toilet bowl with the sponge and cleaner. And then rub and clean the lid, seat and cover of the toilet bowl. And then rinse it with water or warm water. And then wipe dry by using the mopping cloth.
Question number 12. Tell me about the procedure of cleaning the wash basin. Again, you can answer with your own style, or you can answer like this.
First, I must clean the soap dish in the wash basin, and then I clean the inner side and the edges of the wash basin. After that, I clean the outer side of the wash basin, and the last step is cleaning the floor around the wash basin.
Question number 13. What is turn down service, and tell me about the step of turn down service. And again, you can answer with your own style. What is turn down service, and how to step of turn down service. And you can answer like this.
Turn down service is service performed by a room boy in the evening shift to prepare the bed for the guest by opening the bed and neatening the room and drawing the curtain. Step of turn down service. The first, knock the room and say, "Room boy." When there is no answer, open the door slowly because the guest may be still sleeping or taking a bed and do not hear us. And then open the bed cover, then fold the bed cover into 3 folds and keep it in the drawer. And after that, open the edge of sheet and the blanket and make it triangle shape.
Question number 14. How do you clean the carpet with the dirty spot on it? So you can answer like this.
I use shampoo machine to clean the dirty carpet spot on it, and then I spray the carpet with the special chemical for carpet, and then I fill the tank of a shampoo machine with liquid shampoo. After that, I start the shampooing the carpet with the dirty spot on it, and then dry it with the blower.
Question number 15. How many kind of vacuum cleaner do you know? You can answer like this. There are 2 kinds of vacuum cleaner. Dry vacuum cleaner and wet vacuum cleaner. Dry vacuum cleaner is used for the vacuuming the floor and the carpet, and wet vacuum cleaner is used for the sucking the wet surface on the floor or on the carpet. And don't forget, learn also about the chemical. What is chemical to clean the floor or in the wash basin or mirror and so on. Sorry if the answer is not perfect. You can perfectly with your own style because I'm not housekeeping department, but I have learned about the housekeeping when I was studying in hotel and tourism school. Okay, that's it. 15 questions usually asking for housekeeping department when you work in interview for the cruise ship or in the hotel. I hope this video very useful for you who are looking for the job for housekeeping department to work in the cruise ship or in the hotel. And if you have any question about how to work in the cruise ship, you can write down in the comment below, and I will try to answer as can as I do. And don't forget, support my channel with the subscribe, like, and share in your own social media. See you next on my video.